Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Da-da-da-da! We got something big for you today. We're going to introduce something brand new from Uncle Steve's Shake. This is Uncle Steve's Shake, Texas Cajun Shake. Oh my goodness, I have tasted it just out of the bottle. Best thing in the world to try it on first is chicken. So I'm gonna do some chicken wings. This is gonna be Texas Cajun chicken wings. So hang tight. Well, okay. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our chicken wings and we're gonna take this little boning knife and we're gonna go right up against the joint right there. This is absolutely easy to do. And we're gonna cut the little winglet off right there. I'm not gonna eat it, nobody else does. So it doesn't need to take up space on my smoker. So let's cut them off. Okay, let's move these back into our catering pan here. Let's get them all nice in a row. Now you may say, why are you doing chicken to try something out like this? Absolutely, that's almost a neutral palate on chicken. You can really taste the shake. And so that's all I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna use Uncle Steve's Shake, the new Texas Cajun, and I'm gonna put this on these wings. And let's see what we got here, Uncle Steve. He was nice enough to send us some to try to see what we think of it. So there it is. I'm gonna turn it over. I'm gonna do the back side. All right, there we go. Let's get the smoker up to temp and we'll be right back. Okay, well, we got our pit boss up to temp. I have a rack in the bottom of this catering pan that I have the chicken wings on. Never waste any Uncle Steve's Shake. I'm gonna put it in. Now, the pit boss, we have up to 280, 275 is fine if you can get there. So we're gonna let these go, and when they get up to temp, we'll bring you back. Okay, pit boss is telling us our chicken is hit 165. Are we gonna take it off? No. No. We're gonna take and turn it over. We're going higher than that. I don't want this skin to be rubbery. I want it to be crispy. So I'm gonna turn it over and I'm gonna let it go a little higher than that. Probably I'm gonna take it to 180. Hot stuff, hot stuff. That's all right. Close it back up. And we're gonna let her keep going. So stick with us. Okay, well, pit boss says we've hit our temperature. So let's take these out and look at the color on these. All right, I'm just gonna set this rack back down in this pan. Let's set it over here on the cutting board and turn the pit boss off. Close it up. And when it cools off, I'll bring you right back. Okay. Well, this chicken is ready. We've temped it. Oh my gosh, it just pulls apart just as tender as it can be. I'm going in. Oh my goodness. Uncle Steve, what are you doing to me? Oh my goodness. I'm telling you. I don't know. This is a combination, South Texas Red, which is one of my favorites. And this is done perfectly, by the way. And maybe, I don't know, spicier. It's got just a little bit of kick in it. Oh my goodness. You've done it again, Uncle Steve. This is a 3-bite test. Oh my goodness. It's so good. You're gonna keep going, I'm not gonna know what to do. Texas Cajun wings. Oh my goodness, these are so good. I don't need a combination. I don't need to put a sauce on them. I don't need to glaze them. Oh my goodness, they're so good. Thanks for sticking around and trying this out. Oh my goodness. You need to get you some Texas Cajun Shake from Uncle Steve Shake. www.unclesteveshake.com. Oh my goodness. Tell him I sent you. He'll hook you up. Until next time, if you haven't hit the circle on this side, hit it, subscribe. On this side, I'll have a video just for you. So, hang tight.